Hi, Jeffrey G. Mersace, attorney at law, and today we are talking about the gift tax and should you be worried about it. I get this question a lot from my clients. Really, it's a provisional no for most of my clients. And the reason for that is right now we have a $14,000 per year gift tax limit, and you can give an unlimited number of $14,000 gifts in any given year to any number of individuals. You just can't give more than $14,000 in any one year without filling out a gift tax form. Now, a lot of people have some misconceptions about this, and I think it's really kind of a throwback to some old laws that we had in North Carolina, and some other states may have these laws, where if you actually give more than the $14,000 limit, that you actually have to come out of pocket and pay money. The way it works at the federal level is if you, let's say you gave $15,000 to somebody, you need to fill out a gift tax form naming the person that you gave the gift to, the fact that there was $1,000 extra that goes into the Internal Revenue Service, and now they keep a record of it, and that counts against your estate tax credits. So if you've given $1,000, and I'm going to keep it as an even number, let's say the estate tax limit is $5 million. Well, now suddenly it's $4,999 that you can give estate tax free upon death. So it eats away at that exemption. So unless you're actually giving away more than that $5 million of that bank you have at the Internal Revenue Service, you don't actually have to come out of pocket to pay money. It does become an issue if you simply gave the money and didn't report it. That's where there's an issue. So if you want to give out more than $14,000 to an individual, really a non-spouse individual in any given year, you really need to make sure you're filing that tax form. That's the big thing, is just making sure that it's documented. Now, another area where some people don't really think of it as a gift, but they really should be aware of it, if you have a $200,000 mutual fund, and for whatever reason, rather than getting the planning done correctly, oh, I'm just going to put my son's name on my account, that can be looked at as giving your son $100,000. And now, if that's an unreported gift, that could lead to some issues down the road. It really just depends. So the most important thing is to make sure that you're not unconsciously doing these things. We've had people come in the past, oh, well, I just put my daughter on the deed to my house, I put my son on this account, and I did this, and I put this person's name on that. They were all gifts of half of the value of everything, and suddenly they have all these unreported gifts, and they needed to catch up and do that, and there might have been some penalties for not filing it timely. So is the gift tax really something you should be worried about? Not really, as long as you're doing it with the knowledge of what is entailed in going ahead and giving that gift, what filings have to be done to be and to keep it in mind. So it's just a matter of doing it correctly. So if you do have any questions on that, please go ahead and give us a call. We have a friendly staff, and you can reach us at the office at 919-844-7993. Thanks, and have a great day.